Hello guys, this is Adam and this is the M4 MacBook Air, as you can see right here. So this is the packaging that we are going with, and I believe this color is supposed to be the blue or the black. I honestly don't remember which one I did a pre-order. With that being said, this is the unboxing. There will definitely be testing coming for a Blender, Unreal Engine, Cinema 4D and all of that fun stuff. Even Maya and with animations and such. So we will be testing that and then a little bit of coding as well. The packaging does not have the nylon or the plastic, so this is just straight the box. So what we got is this right here, so we can open that is, oh, I think I did open it in reverse. Probably it needs to actually go from here. This is the base model, and the base model now comes with 16 gigabyte of RAM. Yay, so that is actually good. And as you know, I am a big advocate for the RAM to be at least 16 gigabyte for anything that you want to do. So the fact that we are having 16 gigabyte of RAM with the base model is actually a good step in the right direction. Now I'm not gonna say go to up to 32. I think 16 is perfect. So let's go and open that. Ooh, fancy. Would you look at that? And then here we have the Mac. Now my main machine, the one that I typically use, is actually the M1 Max MacBook Pro 16-inch with 64 gigabyte of RAM and then 8 terabyte of storage. Then the maxed out with 10 cores of GPU and then 32 cores of CPU. So this is the one right here, and I believe this is the black one. Yes, this is the black one. I love what I'm seeing. It definitely tends to be a little bit of blue, and probably it's a finger magnet. This black feels very bluish. Now let me adjust the lighting a bit. I think that's overall better. So let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, now it's looking like it's actually a black machine. So there's that, and here we got the Apple logo, and it's opening as well. So here we have it. So the machine that I used to own actually before this one was the M1 MacBook Air Rose Gold, and I loved the Rose Gold. It was the main machine that I used for everything that I did, and not till I gave it to someone who is very dear to my heart. With that being said, M1 MacBook Air, at the time when I had it, it was magnificent. I loved it. I loved the size of it and how small it was. This color right here will definitely be the color that I would go for if I end up ordering my machine for the M1 MacBook Air, or the M4 in this case, because right now I want to test it. I like
to use English as the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, Siri is talking. I like that the machine has this color. I genuinely like the color that I am seeing right now. Definitely this machine needs to be set up and all of that fun stuff, so I will definitely take care of that, and we will be doing more testing, but that's not my main concern right now. So we have the laptop right here. There's minimal to no signs at all of any branding or whatever that might be, and I do appreciate that. Now for this is the 16 gigabyte with 256 gigabytes. So this is the base model, and then you can get it for $8.99 with a student discount. So there's that. In terms of the ports that we have the headphone jack. So we have that, it's not gone. Now if we flip it to the other side, we have MagSafe, which is at the very beginning right here. So this is the MagSafe right here, and I do think that 2 USB-Cs in general are enough. Would I have appreciated a third one? Probably yes. But is that something I am going to be very upset about? Probably not. With that machine, I'm going to, set it aside right here. And let's see the box and what comes with the box. So this is the MagSafe, which is for charging and I'm not gonna open it because I have a USB-C charger, but at the very beginning of it, in terms of going to the power outlet, it's actually white. And then this tends to be a bit black. And of course you have the Apple pamphlet. Now, do we have any stickers? I don't think we have any stickers this time around. Yep, no stickers, and that is fine. Oh, so long stickers. And then you have this charger right here, and I'm not gonna open it because I do have the one from the M1 Max MacBook Pro, which I am going to use. This one's actually connected to the one that is recording the audio and having the camera connected to. So this one is right here, and it's a charger and it's supposed to do its job, and nothing fancy about it. However, these stuff are not the main aspect of the show, so to speak. The main aspect is usually the laptop. So we're gonna go back and get the laptop. I definitely like the size of the laptop. What I would like is, let's see the terminal and just give it a quick ls. Oh, I love the keyboard. Probably this is far away, maybe it should be in the middle of the screen. So let's do cd document, and then let's do an ls there. Definitely allow. Probably it's empty. Maybe we can probably touch readme.md, and then maybe we can do cat readme, and then I guess there is nothing in the readme, so we wouldn't get anything. Maybe let's do open readme. We do not have Xcode, so probably we need to go to the App Store, and then from the App Store we need to go and then get Xcode. Now I will definitely set up everything later, but in terms of Xcode we can do that. But let's go ahead and then open Pages. Oh, this is blazingly fast. Now granted, this is a very new computer, so you know there is always that. Let's delete all of this, and then let's do test for writing. This is a quick test for the keyboard on the new MacBook Air M4. The main thing about this keyboard from this laptop is that the keys feel heavy to click and press, and I like that, since the older model from M1 MacBook Air felt more mushy when I click it, and I didn't feel it gave me a good sense of feedback in comparison to this one right here, which I truly like as far as I am concerned. If you like what you are seeing, please sub to the channel, and then let me know what things you want to see in terms of testing in the comments. Okay, I guess I got one word wrong, but with that, I like the keyboard. It's the tactile keyboard and how it feels when you press a key. The feedback that you get is really good, and I like that, and especially when I will be doing a lot of coding later on. I think one thing in terms of, oh, that was not even the full brightness. Now this is the full brightness, and I like what I am seeing. So far, this is just the unboxing for it, and this is the initial setup. I will definitely bring a lot of stuff here and then install, and then we will do a lot of testing. But the color I truly love. It has a hint of a blue. It's not a truly black. It has a hint of a blue, but I like how darky it is, and I know someone who would really like that darky color. Probably I would try to get them something like that. And then for me, probably if I end up getting this, I might be getting this color, since this is the closest thing to a black. But we will see if it will grow on me. I really like how light it is, and then it's not super heavy. The price is nice. I'm glad they made the laptop cheaper in a general sense. If you have any questions or comments or concerns or whatever, you know where to add them. Be on the lookout for very intensive testing for all the 3D related softwares. And thank you for watching, and this was Adam, and that was the M4 MacBook Air. You guys have a wonderful night.